Flexible solar panel 600 watt. Solar cell kits are a multifunctional and efficient solution suitable for outdoor power needs. It provides a range of features and specifications, making it suitable for various applications. Multifunctional charging, equipped with 12-volt DC and 5-volt USB output interfaces, specifically designed for charging 12-volt batteries and 5-volt devices. Durable structure, the front panel is made of EVA plus PET, providing flexibility, lightweight, and durability. Efficient, the efficiency of single crystal solar cells can reach up to 21%. Easy to install, with 4 holes and 2 free hooks, installation is more convenient. Weather resistance, IP65 waterproof grade, suitable for outdoor use in light rain weather. It is designed to charge 12-volt batteries and 5-volt devices, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The single crystal solar cells have an impressive efficiency of up to 21%, ensuring optimal power generation. The front panel made of EVA plus PET material is flexible, lightweight, and durable. Additionally, the panel is IP65 waterproof, allowing for outdoor use in light rain weather. The panel features for X holes and 2 free shackles, making installation convenient and hassle-free.